children, before starting the forms of power sharing, we have to know some important principles of democracy. Number 1, people are the source of all political power. Means public is the main source, children. We are choosing our government by casting our vote. We can elect a representative. Okay. Number 2, equal respect is given to diverse groups and views that exist in a society. Means in our country there are many communities and they get equal respect. Okay. Number 3, what is the third principle? Everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policies. Means whatever policies government is framing, the role of public is very, very important. So these were 3 main principles of democracy. Now come to the point in forms of power sharing. This is very, very important topic, children. Many times it came in board exam. So there are 4 forms of power sharing. Number 1, horizontal power sharing. Number 2, vertical power sharing. Number 3, power sharing among different social groups. And number 4, power sharing among different political parties and movements. So number 1, horizontal power sharing. Horizontal means, children, parallel to the plane of horizon, like this. You can see on the screen. So it allows different organs of government placed at the same level to exercise different powers. So first way is that power is shared among different organs of government. You know about 3 organs, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. So let's talk about the functions of these 3 organs briefly. First one is legislature. What is the function of legislature, children? Yes, to make laws. And it made by 3 parts like Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. They together form the legislature. Parliament frames the laws for the nation. Second one is executive. Who is the head of the executive, children? Yes, it's Prime Minister. We elect our MPs by casting our votes, and all MPs form the cabinet, and cabinet selects the head to form the Prime Minister. So what is the function of executive? The executive executes and enforces the law. Means which law made by Parliament to make it effective among the people. Third one is judiciary. Children, legislature made laws, executive executes the laws, so there should be someone who will protect the laws, right? Like anyone is going against the laws or not, if anyone is breaking the laws, so there will be punishment for them. So all these work done by judiciary. In this organ, who exercise its power, children? Yes, Supreme Court and High Court. This type of separation ensured that none of the organs can exercise unlimited power. All organs check the functions of each other, and this system is called check and balance system. Then number 2 form of power sharing, that is vertical form of power sharing. Vertical means like this one, okay, perpendicular of earth. Here power is shared among different levels of government. Like first level is local government. You all know who comes in this level, children. Like Gram Panchayat municipality. It works on village or district level. Second level is state level, like chief minister. Third one is union government or central government. Who is the head of central government, children? Yes, it's Prime Minister. It works on national level. Next, the topmost level or fourth level of government is Government of India, that is President. As you all know, children, who is the first citizen of India? Yes, it's President. So it was the vertical form of power sharing.